Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights and tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.